Is it time to buy or sell the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of the 8th of October, 2024, our system has categorized QQQ as a hold or accumulate, awarding it a score of 0.3. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, showing a gain of 0.32%. This results in an average return of 0.05% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is situated in the upper part of a weak rising trend in the short term. This could present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $497.91 would initially signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 5.5% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 2.37% to positive 7.02%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 28.39% over the next year, with potential returns between 19.64% and 39.94%. This would translate to a price range of $587.26 to $686.91 after a year. Our latest daily update for the QQQ ETF features the headline, "Evaluation of QQQ ETF downgraded after the last trading session." The price of the QQQ ETF decreased by 1.34% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, falling from $497.50 to $490.85. During that trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 2%, reaching a low of $488.72 and a high of $498.50. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 1.99% over the past 2 weeks. Volume saw an uptick on the last day, with 8 million shares traded, although this occurred amidst falling prices. This trend may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 34 million shares were exchanged for approximately $16.48 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price stands 2.52%, or $12.67, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The Invesco QQQ Trust has been making headlines recently as analysts debate its valuation and potential future performance. As of mid-October 2024, QQQ is perceived as trading at bubble-like valuations, with a price-to-earnings ratio exceeding 40. This valuation is primarily fueled by the concentration of major players like Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia, which together account for approximately 25% of the Nasdaq 100. The recent price gains appear to have stemmed from multiple expansions rather than substantial earnings growth, amplifying concerns about a potential downturn. Investors are also recognizing the significance of the other sector within QQQ, which could drive upside growth as it diversifies beyond technology. However, With anticipation building for the upcoming earnings season, analysts warn that disappointing results could burst this valuation bubble, leading to sharper declines in stock price. Additionally, the fading hype surrounding generative AI projects raises concerns about the sustainability of growth within the sector. Such dynamics could influence investor sentiment significantly in the short term. Longer-term implications may hinge on whether QQQ can adapt to shifting market conditions and harness growth opportunities beyond its core tech holdings. With over 10,000 exchange-traded funds available today, QQQ faces increasing competition as investors seek out more stable and high-yield options. As the market evolves, maintaining focus on quality holdings will be crucial for long-term growth and investor confidence. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is simultaneously a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates a general buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. If there are further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $491.26. Conversely, if it declines, there will be support from the long-term average at around $478.03. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. There have also been some negative signals that may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, October 14, 2024, and so far, the ETF has experienced a decline of 1.34%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average issued a buy signal 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 23 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average signaled a buy 25 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has provided a buy signal 226 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level. If this support is breached, the fund may decline to the next support level. In this scenario, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $448.75. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Over the past day, the fund experienced a movement of $9.78 between its high and low, which represents a change of 2%. For the past week, the fund has had an average daily volatility of 1.15%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's briefly review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This significant metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest a low outlook for the company's future or indicate that the stock is undervalued. which might represent a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $492.59. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQ meets its first support level at $448.75. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $474.12, representing a decline of 3.41%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, which translates to reduced risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good buy? Currently, QQQ presents several negative indicators suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it might be more prudent to consider it a hold or accumulate position for now while we observe further developments. Consequently, we have adjusted our analysis from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of October, we anticipate that QQQ will open up $1.84 and begin trading at $492.69. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.